In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Facebook profile. As you can see, my current Facebook profile is set to locked. So if you had locked your Facebook profile, to unlock it is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now, the first thing you need to do is to tap on this profile image to go to your menu. And now from here, tap on your name here. And then under this, look for these three dots and then tap on them. Now, under this, you can see we have unlock profile, meaning our current profile is locked. So I'll unlock it by just tapping on this. And as you can see, the current status is that I locked my profile. To unlock it, tap on this unlock option. And then finalize by tapping on unlock your profile. You have to note that when you unlock your profile, then more people will see your photos, posts, and stories on your profile. And also more people may also see full-size profile picture and cover photo. And also you may share your photos, posts, and stories with anyone. Now, if you look up here, you will also see the last time you had locked your profile. And now go ahead and unlock it, because you are told your settings will return to the way they were before you locked them. So I'll go ahead and unlock my profile by tapping on this. And it will update. Now you can see a confirmation here, you unlocked your profile. So I'll tap on OK. And now my profile is unlocked. So by following these simple steps, you'll be able to unlock your Facebook profile. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.